it's Sarah. In our previous lesson, we introduced you to the world of signals in Clay and why they're such a game changer for modern go-to-market teams. Today, we're diving deeper into the 3 types of signals available in Clay: default signals, always-on signals, and custom signals. Understanding these different signal types is crucial because each one serves a specific purpose and has unique capabilities that can transform how you identify and act on buying opportunities. By the end of this lesson, you'll know exactly which signal types to choose for any given use case, understand their technical capabilities and limitations, and feel confident building the right monitoring system for your specific go-to-market strategy. Let's start by exploring default signals, Clay's pre-built monitoring systems that cover the most common business events that trigger buying decisions. Let's break down each signal type so you can choose the exact right one for your needs. Default signals are Clay's greatest hits, the most valuable business events that trigger buying decisions with monitoring systems built out of the box. Clay handles the data sources, refresh rates, and filtering logic so you get enterprise-grade monitoring without any setup complexity. Career movement signals track VP-level job changes, new hires, promotions, layoffs, and relocations. When your champion moves companies, you'll know within hours. News and fundraising intel monitors funding rounds, mergers, acquisitions, partnerships, product launches, and leadership changes. Job postings reveal expansion signals. Aggressive sales and marketing hiring indicates budget allocation. Technical role postings show tech adoption plans. We analyze descriptions for urgency indicators and geographic expansion signals. LinkedIn brand mentions monitors competitor discussions, partnership opportunities, customer satisfaction, and thought leadership trends. This is social listening purpose-built for B2B sales intelligence. Website intent tracking monitors page visits, content engagement, downloads, and pricing interactions for real-time buying signals. And customer sentiment analysis monitors G2, Capteria, and Trust Radius for competitive insights, feature requests, and churn indicators. As an example, let's say you're selling marketing automation software. You'd set up a default signal for job postings, filtering for companies hiring marketing ops managers or demand gen roles. When a company posts these positions, it often signals they're scaling their marketing function and evaluating new tools. The signal fires, you get notified, and you can reach out with messaging about how your platform helps growing marketing teams scale efficiently. The timing is perfect because these companies are actively thinking about their marketing infrastructure. Always-on source signals transform one-time research into continuous monitoring. These monitor a specific data source for when companies meet certain criteria. Instead of building a static list of Salesforce users, create ongoing alerts for new Salesforce adoptions. Example would be monitoring technographic data for CRM implementations using HG Insights. When companies switch to Salesforce, reach out with messaging about integrations, data migration, or complementary tools. You're catching them right as they're making the transition when they're most receptive to solutions that help with implementation, training, or optimization. Tech stack monitoring works for detecting adoption of any technology: CRM migrations, marketing automation, security tools, cloud platforms. Compliance changes tracking monitors regulatory requirements when companies have certifications like SOC 2 or HIPAA and industry standards. And geographic expansion detection identifies new offices, market entry, international hiring, and localization efforts. Any data source in Clay can become an always-on signal. You're not limited to these pre-built options. Custom signals combine scheduled sources, AI analysis, and conditional logic to monitor virtually anything. For example, Vanta uses AI signals to identify companies seeking SOC 2 certification, then reaches out with compliance automation messaging. They analyze website content, job descriptions, and social media to identify certification intent before it becomes obvious. Website content changes monitor pricing modification, feature updates, team additions, and blog themes. Social media activity tracks executive LinkedIn patterns, company engagement, event participation, and thought leadership. Financial filings intelligence analyzes SEC filings for revenue guidance, executive compensation, and strategic announcements. Engineering density metrics monitor GitHub activity, technical job postings, open source contributions, and developer community engagement. Technical capabilities include API integrations, web scraping, RSS feeds, and database change detection. Now you understand these signal types that power Clay's monitoring engine. Default signals give you battle-tested monitoring for the most common go-to-market triggers. Always-on signals transform any static data into continuous opportunity detection. And custom signals let you build sophisticated monitoring logic that gives you unique competitive advantage. The key is matching signal type to your specific use case. Start with default signals for common scenarios, use always-on signals when you need change detection on existing data sources, and build custom signals when you need AI analysis or complex logic. Great! Next up, we're diving into the practical side, setting up signals step by step. You'll learn the exact configuration process, optimization techniques, and how to avoid the common pitfalls that can flood you with irrelevant notifications or miss critical opportunities. I'll see you there!